Hi, welcome to my channel Kavita's Creative Recipes. Today the recipe I am sharing with you is a very special one to me. This was the recipe which I made in the Super Chef Chennai final contest, which helped me win the title. And it's known as Kuttu Paratha Momo in pumpkin gravy. Every contestant had got a secret ingredient and mine was pumpkin, so I came up with this idea. The other one which I made was a bhindi and pumpkin ka kebab, which I'll be sharing soon. Thank you.
Now I show you the ingredients. We need capsicum, onions, tomato puree, pumpkin sauce, ginger garlic chili paste, garam masala, haldi, coriander, jeera, a red chili powder, oil and just ghee, little bit of ghee. And we need tawa parathas, which I have prepared earlier and kept. You have to make sure that the parathas are made little thick and not very thin. And these are made of 100% atta, because we make sure that the dish is healthy also. And we chop like this. Now we start with the procedure. First we add around half teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of jeera, just a pinch of hing, onions, and nicely fry the onions till the raw smell of the onion goes. Next we add the capsicum, the ginger garlic chili paste around 1 teaspoon or little more, give it a nice mix. And then we add some haldi, chili powder, the pumpkin sauce, tomato puree, and nicely mix it. We add salt according to taste now. And ghee, around 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix everything again nicely. Now we add some coriander leaves, and the chopped parathas, and mix everything together. Now we just add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of water and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now our kuttu paratha is ready. I'm going to show you two kinds of presentation for this dish. In the first one, just take around 2 to 3 cabbage leaves, For the cabbage leaves, what we need to do is just put the cabbage leaf in hot boiling water so that it'll get the leaves get soft, which becomes easier for us to wrap it like a wrap. And then we just spread the pumpkin sauce on the cabbage leaves like this, and add the prepared kuttu paratha, and tie it with the spring onions. It tastes excellent when we wrap the cabbage leaves like this. It's even pleasing to the eyes, and it's great when you have some guest over or you want to impress your loved ones. The other one, you just put the paratha in any bowl, the kuttu paratha in any bowl, and you can serve it with some raita of your choice, or just plain curds is also good. Now we have to just roast these wraps on the tawa with little oil so that the raw smell of the cabbage goes. Now let's do the plating. Just spread some pumpkin sauce like this. And keep the wraps on the sauce and present it like this. So, the kuttu paratha momo in pumpkin gravy is ready.
So friends, if you have liked this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.